prolong the life of lithium-ion, laptop, and cell phone batteries. Some of the most expensive batteries to replace are cell phone and laptop batteries, also known as lithium-ion, Li-ion, batteries. A lot of people don't realize that poor care and poor charging practices dramatically decrease the battery life of their lithium-ion batteries. And the most crucial time in lithium-ion battery care is during early use or when you first get the battery, phone, or laptop. So to help you prolong and maximize the lifespan of your laptop, cell phone, or other electronic that uses a Li-ion batteries, like an electric shaver, I'll teach you what causes a lithium-ion battery to age prematurely, plus, tips, tricks, and crucial maintenance information you must know to get the most out of your Li-ion batteries. So, how does a lithium-ion battery work? Lithium-ion batteries work based on ion movement between negative and positive electrodes. Theoretically, lithium-ion batteries should work forever. However, high temperatures and cycling decreases their lifespan over time. How to prolong the life of lithium-ion batteries? Follow these tips to prolong the life of your lithium-ion batteries. For brand new batteries, it is important to charge them completely before you use the cell phone, laptop, or other electronic. This teaches the battery the extent of the charge. To prolong the life of a lithium-ion battery that sees a lot of use, like a laptop or cell phone, it's better to charge it often for short periods of time, 1 to 2 hours, instead of charging it from a near dead state each time. While short charges are best, it is important to let the battery drain completely and then fully charge around once a month. This helps maintain good battery health. It's very detrimental to a lithium-ion battery if you use the device while it's charging. This makes the battery overheat, which lowers a Li-ion battery's lifespan. If possible, use a charger with a lower voltage rating. While this will charge more slowly, it will charge at a lower temperature, preserving the battery. Never leave the battery in sunny or hot areas. This heat can damage the battery life. Finally, if you aren't going to use the battery for a while or you're storing it, make sure the battery is over 40% charged before you put it away. When lithium-ion batteries are stored out of charge for long periods of time, this can lead to an inability to maintain a charge once the battery is in use again. If you follow these tips, especially if you use them from when you first get your new battery, phone, laptop, or other electronic using a lithium-ion, Li-ion, battery, you will maximize the battery's lifespan and prevent premature aging in the battery. What can you do if the battery does die or its performance is suffering? If a battery is aging or dies early on you can bring those old batteries back to 100% of their working condition using the EZ Battery Reconditioning program. In this program, you'll learn how to bring old cell phone, laptop, car, deep cycle, golf cart, marine, and forklift batteries back to life again, plus many other types of batteries too. The battery reconditioning methods are easy to do and they will save you a lot of money on battery costs over your lifetime. You can learn more by click the link below this video.